Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 17 at 100 words per minute. So be ready. Start. Sir, the textile is one of the few industries in India where the targets laid down in the 5-year plan have been exceeded. Actually, the problem is not fall in the production but of overproduction. At that time, our government, of course, stood between the owners and the workers of mills. The government immediately responded to the complaints of the workers. Concessions were freely granted. The export duty on cloth was reduced and the excise duty on medium cloth was raised, thereby hitting the vast majority of consumers. But to the government, that is a minor matter. Neither the mill owners nor the government thought about the consumers. The mill owners do not want more profit. That is not at all the objective. But the problem before the textile industry was overproduction. Para change. The situation therefore demanded a balanced approach. Instead of merely protecting the interests of the mill owners and workers, the government should have taken effective measures to regulate production and safeguard the interests of the common consumers. Proper planning for the export of textile products and expansion of domestic markets could have helped in absorbing the surplus production. Unfortunately, little attention was paid to these aspects, and the burden of policy decisions ultimately fell upon the ordinary people who has to pay higher prices for essential cloth. Para change. Now let us come to the attitude of the government. With regard to this, many statements have received from the government from time to time to protect the interests of the workers and to prevent unemployment. In his last speech, the labor minister told that government would not allow any rationalization which would result in retrenchment. He said that the planning commission is formulated schemes in this respect and there is no intention of retrenchment of even a single worker. He further said that the employers will follow these schemes and the government will see that it should be workable for both employer and the workers. He said that the possibility of a settlement between the workers and the management should be explored. Stop. Friends, keep practicing these shortcuts regularly and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Dear friends, this is not my channel, it's your channel, created to help you achieve your goals and improve your shorthand skills. Your one subscription encourages me to continue creating more useful shorthand dictation videos for you. Thank you for watching our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.